when you just ran a webinar, a workshop, or an online course, and instead of manually creating certificates for every participant, what if the certificates could be generated automatically and sent to their email the moment they submit a form? Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Google Forms, Google Sheets, and a powerful add-on called Autocrat. Let's dive in. Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn a step-by-step process to automatically generate e-certificates for your participants. Step 1. Create your Google form. Ask participants for the details you want on the certificate, like name, email address, course name, or date. Make sure you mark the email field as required because we'll be sending the certificate there automatically. In this form, don't add an email address field separately. Instead of go to the Settings tab in the Google form, then enable collecting email addresses. It will collect emails for you. Otherwise, you will encounter some issues when sending emails. Once your form is ready, submit a test response to make sure the answers appear correctly in the linked Google Sheet. This sheet is where Autocrat will pull the data from. Step 2. Prepare your certificate template. Open Google Slides and create a professional-looking certificate. Don't worry if it's simple. It just needs to have placeholders for the information that will change, like participant name, course name, or date. If you have a pre-designed template, add it to Google Slides and set up a variable like this. These variables help to connect Google Form data to the e-certificate. Step 3. Install and set up Autocrat. Here is where the magic happens, the Autocrat add-on. Open the spreadsheet where your responses are recorded. You can find the View in Sheet link in the Responses tab. To install extension we need, click on Extensions, then search for Autocrat and install it. Once installed, launch Autocrat and click New Job. Now we are ready to automate the whole process using this extension. Enter a job name you want, then select your Google Slides certificate template. Once you select the template, variables will appear here. Map the variables from your template to the corresponding columns in your sheet. Autocrat also lets you choose the file format for the certificates. I usually use PDF, and set it to automatically email the certificate to the participant with a custom message. Next section, you can edit the message that is going to send along with the certificate. Make sure to set the email address variable for email. You can also use the predefined variables inside the email. At last, set the Run with a trigger option. Then it will run after submitting the Google form. Step 4. Test and automate. Now it's time to test. Submit a new form entry and watch Autocrat work. In just a few seconds, the certificate is generated and sent to the email address you provided. Now it will run automatically every time a new response is submitted, so you don't have to lift a finger. And there you have it, a fully automated system for sending e-certificates using Google Forms, Sheets, and Autocrat. No more manual work, no delays, just instant recognition for your participants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity hacks, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.